In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a graph or chart right within Google Drive. This is an incredibly useful skill, especially if you're looking to quickly visualize data without using complicated software. So let's dive in and make your data stand out. First off, you'll want to go to Google Drive's homepage. If you're not already there, you can easily get to it by typing Google Drive in your web browser and clicking on the first link. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will make navigation a breeze for you. Now, look for that big, colourful button labelled New on the left-hand side of your screen. It's hard to miss. When you spot it, give it a click. This button is your gateway to starting new documents, spreadsheets, and more. Once you've clicked on New, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Google Sheets. Think of Google Sheets as your canvas where you'll be creating your chart. It's similar to Excel but more convenient for live collaboration and backed by Google's cloud services, which means your data is saved automatically. With a blank Google Sheet in front of you, the next step is to input the data you want to graph. Take your time to enter it correctly. Good data arrangement is key, so make sure your labels and figures are clearly placed, with headers for each column if necessary. This ensures that your chart will be accurate and easy to understand. After your data is all set up, it's time to highlight the cells you want to include in the graph. Simply click and drag over your data to select it. Ensure you have covered all necessary cells for a comprehensive chart. A well-selected dataset means a more informative visualization. Now with your data highlighted, look towards the top of the Google Sheets window where you'll find the menu bar. Click on the Insert option. This is where all the exciting customization begins for your chart. From the drop-down menu that appears after clicking Insert, you'll want to choose Chart. Clicking on Chart will automatically generate a default graph for you based on your data selection. It's like magic, only it's backed by Google's smart algorithms. Once your chart is created, you can start customizing it to suit your needs. Notice on the right-hand side, a panel appears giving you various options to modify your chart type, change data ranges, and customize colors to make your chart more visually appealing. And there you have it, a beautiful chart made in minutes, ready to convey your data story effectively. Remember, the key to good data visualization is clarity and simplicity, so keep tweaking until your chart conveys your message just right. Happy charting!